6.
A lot of people have been willing to kind of sit on their hands and let somebody else take care of it.
A statewide assessment shows North Dakota is lacking in help for people with behavioral health issues. Good evening, everyone. Whether it's drug abuse, domestic abuse, or depression, those in social and health services, law enforcement, and substance abuse are trying to get on the same page about behavioral health.
Today, they gathered to find some solutions to get people that needed help. Valley News Team's crime and safety reporter Nicole Johnson shows us how the community is being impacted.
We have more deaths from prescription drug overdoses in North Dakota than we do from car crashes. We've got to do something about that.
More people are struggling every day, and some say North Dakota is failing those who need help.
That if you drew a line from Bismarck to Minot, there's only one psychiatrist on the west side of that line. That is a pretty scary thing.
Whether people understand what behavioral health is or not, they're being impacted by it. You know, everybody knows somebody with a substance use disorder. Everybody knows somebody that struggles with depression, child abuse, all sorts of things like that.
And we have to also talk about suicide, because the realities of it are we don't talk about it, and it's a crisis. Our suicide numbers have skyrocketed with youth and with adults, and it's not acceptable.
A group effort to prevent behavioral health issues like training teachers to notice signs of depression or abuse, and training law enforcement to notice signs of drug abuse and work with others to get them help.
In the long run, it costs us a lot more to deal with somebody who needs institutional help because they've gotten so ill, or to build more prisons and jails. That is not the good way to do it.
A lot of people have been willing to kind of sit on their hands and let somebody else take care of it. Oh, it's Department of Human Services' job to do that, or it's law enforcement's job, or, geez, the treatment provider should be doing that, or insurance should be helping with that. Everybody at the table is the solution. It's all of our jobs.
Nicole Johnson, Valley News Live.
Cass County Jail is the only county jail in the state where everyone who's booked or screened for mental health and substance abuse issues. Senator Lee says she wants to spread that around the state, adding almost everyone in jail is dealing with one or the other.
Wet and windy.